In this video, I will show you exactly how to fully automate an AI UGC ad in the language I wanted and with the captions on top of it. Check it out.
Okej, den här klänningen är 50% rabatt och jag är inte okej. Ryggen är bokstavligen öppen med spetsdetaljer och det gör något med siluetten. Hög midja, figursydd, det är den typen av klänning du bär till bokstavligen varje sommaraktivitet. Sommarrean är på just nu. Vänta inte med den här.
So this is an ad about this dress. It's in Swedish with the captions and with the coloring of the captions synchronized with her talking. Everything created with only one prompt. And in this video, I will show you how to do this. First thing you're gonna do is open Claude, and I have created a skill that does everything from A to Z. To download the skill, you can go to my school community. The link will be down in the description or in the comment section. And in my school community, you go to Classroom, then AI Video Automations, and the skill will be here. It's called AI Video Generator Auto Add Skill. Download it, go back to Claude, click on Customize, Skills, and then Add, upload a skill, and then just drag and drop the skill you just downloaded. And now I have added the skill, AI Video Generator Auto Add, okay? And here you can see what it does. Now go back to Claude and then tell Claude, use the skill AI Video Generator Auto Add for this product. And then paste any product on the internet that you want to create an AI UGC video ad for, okay? So in this case, we will promote this dress. So I will copy the URL link, go back to Claude, and then just paste it here. Let's see what we get. As you can see, it's running the skill. It will check if you have Groq API key. So as you can see, it did not found any Groq API key. It will also check if you're connected to Higgsfield MCP. I am explaining how to get the Groq API key. Do all this in my school community. You can find how to do it there. So now, as you can see, it's working automatically. It created the product in Higgsfield. It also scraped the website, the product page. By the way, it's checking the balance because this generation will cost 195 credits, and that's around $10. So as you can see, it's also picking the environment, the setting. It will be bedroom. It also picked the style. It will be UGC virtual try-on with the avatar Sophia. It picks the best and most relevant avatars and settings with the environments as possible so that the video gets relevant. So now, as we can see, it's generating the video. You can see that it also localized the website. It's .se and the language, it's Swedish. So as you can see, it will ask for the Groq API key later, and it also tells you how to get it. Everything is done automatically. I haven't touched anything yet. And also this setting here, I have put on auto. So I don't need to accept everything that it does. It says 27 minutes, but it will be faster than that. It normally takes 5 minutes. And there we have it. We got the video ready, but this will be in English at first, so let's watch it.
POV, the black summer dress that actually flatters every figure. The V neckline does something really nice for your chest. It just opens everything up without being too much. And this waist, it cinches you in without trying. The hem moves on its own. It's so light. Mia, that's it.
So Claude picked this dress instead. And it said black dress because in the title, it says black dress. There is a misspelling in the title. I should have changed it. So make sure the product title is correct, okay? So as you can see, I have translated the title to English and it says black summer dress, but the dress is red, as you can see. So it picks the best looking dress out of all the variants. Let's go back to Claude. Okay, so surprisingly, Claude realized that the dress is not black, despite the title. How should I handle the ad? We can ask Claude if it will cost more credits to re-render the video. It says that yes, a re-render will cost 150 credits more, so we can skip that, and I will update this skill so it checks the color of the products first so that it's more accurate from the beginning. So let's see what we got in Swedish.
PV, den svarta sommarklänningen som faktiskt smickrar varje figur. V-ringningen gör något riktigt fint för din byst. Den öppnar upp allt utan att vara för mycket. Och denna midja, den drar in dig utan ansträngning. Follen rör sig av sig själv, den är så lätt. Mia, det var allt.
Pretty good. So now I'm gonna tell Claude to add the captions with the coloring on, okay? So I will say ship the current one. As you can see, we got the Instagram and TikTok post as a text file, and now it asks for Groq API key, and it delivers the English version, the Swedish version, the post copy, and everything it has done in this session. So I pasted the Groq API key here, and that's it. Claude has delivered the Swedish ad with the captions and the coloring on. Let's watch what we got.
PV, den svarta sommarklänningen som faktiskt smickrar varje figur. V-ringningen gör något riktigt fint för din byst. Den öppnar upp allt utan att vara för mycket. Och denna midja, den drar in dig utan ansträngning. Follen rör sig av sig själv, den är så lätt. Mia, det var allt.
Perfect. Let's try another product. Go to new session, and in the new session we will say use the AI video generator ad skill for this product, and this time we're gonna promote this dress here. So I have copied the URL link and added it in Claude. Let's go. And there you go, it scraped everything. This time everything went smoothly. We got our first video. Let's watch.
I ordered this at midnight and I've literally worn it every single weekend since. The back is open all the way down and somehow it's still the most comfortable thing I own. The waist just does something. I don't know how to explain it. Sophie Kletter, you'll get it when you try it on.
And because I did not like the hook from the first video, I told Claude to recreate the hook and create another video with a better hook for this dress, because some of you reacted in the school community about the hook, so I recreated it. And here we have the second video, so let's watch it.
Okay, this dress is 50% off and I'm not okay. The back is literally open with lace detail and it does something to the silhouette. High waist, fitted. It's the kind of dress you wear to literally every summer thing. Summer sale is on right now. Don't wait on this one.
And I have also updated the skill so that it creates better hooks. And here is the Swedish version of it. Let's watch what we got.
Okej, den här klänningen är 50% rabatt och jag är inte okej. Ryggen är bokstavligen öppen med spetsdetaljer och det gör något med silhuetten. Hög midja, figursydd, det är den typen av klänning du bär till bokstavligen varje sommaraktivitet. Sommarrean är på just nu, vänta inte med den här.
Wow, very, very good video. This is definitely top quality, top notch. Even the mouth movements were synchronized. So, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join my school community if you haven't. Hope you learned something and see you in the next one.